Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2011 Audi A3. The front turn signal light in the main bulb housing is accessible by simply reaching behind it. No tools nor parts removals will be required to change this bulb. The cabin air filter is located underneath the glove box. You'll need to work in a somewhat awkward position to access it, but no tools will be required to remove the filter covers nor the filter itself. The spare tire and jack kit are packaged together beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick removal and easy setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The remainder of the headlights have very convoluted access. The fog lights will require the wheel well lining to be pried back for access to them, while the other headlights will demand their entire bulb housing to be removed. This will require the use of many different tools, as well as a removal of the grille, wheel well lining, and the bumper, making for a very time-consuming procedure. This vehicle does not come equipped with a traditional dipstick for the transmission fluid. Instead, there is just a plug for the fluid located underneath the vehicle. Given this convoluted setup, you'll need to take the vehicle into a dealership in order to actually check the fluid level. Both the front and rear wiper blades will prove difficult to change. For the front blades, you'll need to engage them into the service position first, which can be rather time-consuming. For the rear wiper blade, you will need a tool to disengage it from the housing arm, which also won't give you much space to work in. Overall, the 2011 Audi A3 is a rather difficult vehicle to maintain, and would be a better choice for those with prior knowledge in vehicle repair.